All right, let's throw this bell on this little kid's rental bike we have here at the shop. So bells are usually left-handed. Funny subject here. So if you grab it with your right hand, it's a pull bell. But if you put it on the left hand, it's a push, like regular. I'd say that most bells are left-handed, but here we go. It doesn't really matter. It's really whatever you prefer, but this is the way it's technically supposed to go. So, all right, so we got the screw out. All you gotta do is just open this up and slide it over the handlebars. So I'm gonna open this up, slide it right over the handlebar like so. Take your little screw that it comes with, put it in the bottom. I like to turn it upside down. That way you can actually see it while you're doing it. Makes it a little easier. And you just righty-tighty, tighten that screw in. Get it decently tight. So I don't like to make them so tight to where it locks on the bike. I like them to be able to rotate. I mean, you could hit it, it's still on there, but you could still move it to where you want. So it's not going anywhere, it's perfect. And there you have it. That's how you put on a bell on a beach cruiser.